You can't miss this truth. In the IoT security world, products that truly combine stability, durability, and efficiency are rare. Today, we reveal the answer: ACTi Network IO Modules. They upgrade utilities, factories, and traffic monitoring to the next level. First, let's talk about digital input, output, and serial ports. These are not just interfaces, but the backbone of security management. You can remotely control factory alarms, traffic signals, and even water gate switches. The process is simple. Navigate, configure, trigger, get instant feedback. Security staff can respond quickly to prevent accidents, traffic chaos, or system shutdowns, reducing risks and manual inspections while keeping systems stable 24/7. Next, support for external relays enables multi-voltage management. Imagine in a power room, tunnel, or cold storage. When voltage anomalies occur, the system switches automatically to backup power. Process: detection, voltage control, auto switch, secured operation. Pumps won't stop, tunnel lights won't go dark, cold storage won't fail. Administrators don't need to be on site. Operations run without interruption, boosting reliability and reducing maintenance costs. Then, high temperature tolerance up to 70 degrees Celsius, 158 degrees Fahrenheit. Whether in desert solar plants, steel furnaces, or roadside traffic cabinets, these modules run steadily. Process: high heat operation, stable output, continuous monitoring. Even in extreme heat, data and commands transmit accurately. For utilities, factories, and traffic monitoring, this guarantees reliability and prevents costly downtime caused by harsh climates. Finally, single and multi-channel options give planning maximum flexibility. From factory production lines to traffic control centers or gas distribution hubs, you can select the right module for each case. Process: system setup, channel configuration, remote operation, multi-point sync. Managers can control multiple IO nodes on one platform. Benefits are clear: reduced expansion costs, flexible deployment, and scalable growth without infrastructure limits. Overall, ACTi Network IO Modules address pain points in 3 critical sectors while appealing strongly to system integrators. Compared with Axis, ACTi delivers equal or superior specs while saving 30% to 50% in costs. It's the competitive edge that boosts proposals and wins projects. Now is the best time to upgrade. Choosing ACTi Network IO Modules means you're not just buying devices, you're investing in peace of mind, cost savings, and efficiency. Contact us today to power up your security system with the strongest support.